Hey crafters! Today's project is a quick and easy one. I bought this wooden crate at a wholesale company, but I'm sure you can find something similar at Michael's, Hobby Lobby, or any craft store. It was painted yellow, which I'm going to keep that color. The top of this box opens, and I want to open it, but when I put it on the side, it will just flop open if I don't have anything holding it closed. So I'm going to put two small magnets at the corners. These are from the Dollar Tree, so that I can access the inside of this box. I'm going to light this up, so I want access to the lights inside. And I'm just placing something heavy to make sure the glue sets on the magnets. So while the glue sets, I'm going to take a wine cork and I'm just going to use some antiquing wax because I want it a little bit darker brown. This is going to serve as the stem of the pumpkin. So once the glue sets on the magnets, I'm going to take my wine cork, add some Gorilla Glue at the bottom, and then place it on top where I want the stem. Then I'm going to take some hot glue, put it down around the stem, and add some moss that I got from the Dollar Tree. You can add any moss, any color you'd like. While I'm doing this, I do want to mention that I kept the yellow color on the crate. However, you can paint whatever color the crate you want it to be. I just thought it was easier to keep it the color that it is. And then I'm going to place a bow that I made out of raffia right on the front. And then I'm going to take a little antiquing wax and a little sponge and just hit the corners around the pumpkin to give it a little bit of interest and grunge it up a little bit. Once I get the look I want, I place a timered tea light candle inside, and this is what it looks like lit at night. I think they turned out really cute. I also made a green one off camera. And this is what they look like during the day. I think they turned out really cute. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.